Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Bossier City local and long-distance movers near me. Planning a long-distance move within or without Bossier City, Louisiana is no mean feat. This makes it all the more important to get yourself an experienced hauling company such as 3 Movers. Hiring a moving company for your interstate move is beneficial because their agents know the best roads to take in order to save on time and man hours. However, such a move also involves a lot of heavy lifting, which could cause you harm. So search for reputable Bossier City moving companies and choose the one that best fits your needs and budget. Having a professional moving partner to transport all your belongings across U.S. states ensures that all of your items are delivered in good condition. In addition, it's the norm that a moving company has your properties covered by insurance in case of damage or loss during transit. Suppose you reside in Bossier City, Louisiana, and you want to move within the city. In that case, you may be tempted to forego the need to hire a professional moving company in Bossier City, such as 3 Movers, because the distance is relatively small. However, planning and executing the entire move is not that easy. The logistics involved might be too much for you to handle independently. On the other hand, a moving company will come in with experienced agents and local movers who will smoothen the entire process. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Bossier City moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.